Hey guys, welcome back to another Week in the Life vlog. For those of you who are just joining us, my name is Vazzana and I'm a fashion editor, stylist, and the author and founder of Making It in Manhattan. Super excited to be back for another Week in the Life vlog. As you guys know, I took a little bit of a break from my weekly vlogs. The reason was actually that I had gotten a new vlogging camera, and when I got it, there was actually a manufacturing error where the autofocus didn't work. So I started using it and started vlogging again, and then when I went to go look at the clips, they were all out of focus and blurry, so it was a long process. Had to go return that camera and get a new one. So thankfully I am back and excited to kick off another week. I just woke up and am changing into my workout clothes. As you can see, I have on my workout leggings and I am going to go ride a SoulCycle class. I actually just got the at-home SoulCycle bike. They were so nice and they sent me one of them to use at home, so really excited. I've been riding it a couple times every week, not every day. Can't say I've been doing it every day, but a couple times every week, and just trying to get back into my workout routine because I really stopped working out during quarantine. So excited to kick off my week with that and just bring you guys along for another fun week. So this is my new SoulCycle bike. There's so many amazing classes, so it's really great. There's a lot of options. Hey guys, so I finished my SoulCycle ride, took a shower, made some lunch, answered some emails, and then just quickly got ready because I am about to shoot something for Alice and Olivia. They actually launched their casuals collection this week, so they sent me some fun pieces from the new collection and I'm just gonna shoot them in my room, so let me show you what I got. So this is a sneak peek, lots of leopard. Let me just unwrap everything. So this is what they sent me, a little leopard sweater. It's super soft. And then these leopard joggers, again, so soft and comfy, gonna be so amazing to wear this around the house while I'm working. And then of course, this is so epic, a matching leopard jacket. So really cool, fun look. Gonna put it on. I'm thinking of adding a red lip and maybe a little red mule to tie the look together. So this is the look I got for the Alice and Olivia casual collection photo shoot that I'm about to do. A little all leopard look. I really like the white and black leopard. I think it's fun. And then I did a red lip just to give it a little fun pop. Threw on some red mules and just setting up my tripod and gonna get started. Hey guys, so I finished shooting this afternoon and now I'm just getting ready because I'm actually speaking on a virtual panel tonight all about holiday content creation and how to land holiday partnerships. So just getting ready for that. We'll try to film some behind the scenes. Have my little area set up with my umbrella lights for my Zoom. Hey guys, so sorry I have not checked in with you today. I've just been busy because I had to shoot a campaign. This is the look that I was wearing for the campaign. I love this dress so much and these boots are awesome. And my intern Kelly is here and she just helped me shoot everything. So we're just wrapping up. Didn't really film at all while we were shooting because we were so busy, but we'll show you some of the things I wore and shot. Hey guys, so I just finished cleaning up after our shoot. After every shoot, I feel like I make such a mess that I need to spend a good 20 to 30 minutes just cleaning up and putting everything away, but Now Dave and I are heading into Manhattan because I'm actually selling a bunch of things from my closet at Crossroads Trading. I did a huge closet clean out during quarantine, but the place that I usually sell out, which is Buffalo Exchange, is only accepting up to 50 items, and I literally am trying to get rid of a lot of stuff. So Crossroads actually reached out to me, and they're doing a special like concierge pickup thing where I can bring them as many pieces as possible. Then they go through everything and let me know what they're accepting, what they're not accepting. So I'll keep you guys posted when everything is live at the store so that you guys can go and shop everything from my closet. Good morning, guys. So I just had an exciting morning with some exciting wedding detail meetings. I can't share too much yet, but really exciting things down the road coming. So very good start to my day. So now I just put on this very fun printed colorful look, and I am headed into Manhattan for some meetings today and to shoot this look and some other things. So gonna bring you along for all of that. Excited for a busy day ahead in the city. Hey guys, so it is the next day. I had a great day in the city yesterday. It was so much fun, and I need to do a little unboxing for you guys later because I ended up getting a few things from The RealReal and I love them so much. I can't wait to share them with you. But so now I am just in a nearby park. It's super sunny and I am shooting a few looks today. I actually got gifted this gorgeous Kate Spade bag the other week, so just wanted to come out here and shoot it. Ooh, it's so sunny, but it's a beautiful day. It's actually not too cold, so it's perfect for shooting. And look at this skirt. That's my first full look. Hey guys, so welcome back to the vlog. It's a few days later and I'm actually about to head out and go to Brooklyn because I am actually getting a manicure today by Madonna's nail artist, and I am super excited. You guys know I love my nails, so I wanted to make sure to get this in the vlog. I'm not sure how much I'll be able to film, but I will definitely show you the afterwards. This is my manicure now. I've had it on for a really long time because I knew this was happening and we were just trying to figure out a date, so it didn't want to get my nails done before that. So yeah, about to jump in my Uber and head to Brooklyn, and I'll see you soon.
Eventually.
Hey guys, so it's been a few days since I checked in with you guys, so I just wanted to come on here to show you my finished nails and to wrap up this vlog. So as you saw, I went and got my nails done with Naomi in Brooklyn. Naomi is Madonna's nail artist. I was doing it for this special jewelry campaign I was doing with Simon G Jewelry. The pictures are now live on my Instagram, so you can go check them out. But my nails came out super fun and glam glam. I love them so much. They're just such perfect holiday nails, and Naomi is so talented. It was really so cool to work with her. I'll insert a little close-up of my nails here so you can really see all the details. And the very last thing I wanted to show you before I wrap up this week's vlog is what I got from The RealReal. As you may have seen, I went to the RealReal store in Soho while I was in the city, and I just picked up 2 fun things. So if you follow me on Instagram, you already probably know one of them, but I wanted to do a little unboxing and show you guys what I got. So full disclosure, when you sell things with the RealReal, you get site credit. So I had a bunch of site credit saved up, so I didn't have to technically pay for these items. I had site credit and I was able to just use them to get these items, which I always love. So the first thing I got, which is really fun and perfect for the holidays, is this tulle shirt from Viktor and Rolf. A little close-up. I love Viktor and Rolf. If you're not familiar with them, look them up. They're a super just like fun, beautiful, feminine brand, and they do a lot of cool tulle pieces. So I saw this and I thought it was fun, and you might be thinking, well, it's sheer, how could it work for the holidays and for a holiday photo shoot? So what I'm envisioning is layering it over a red turtleneck, and then maybe with some sequin pants or something like that. That's kind of how I'm envisioning styling this piece. So that is the first item. So I have been eyeing one of these Gucci cat sweaters for literally forever, the longest time ever, but they are super expensive, and they're something that I don't know if I would just go outright and buy it, but I saw it at the RealReal and it was on sale and I had site credit, and it was just one of those things that I felt like it was meant to be. I literally texted a picture to Dave and I was like, what do you think of this sweater? And his response was, that is you in a sweater. It's a cat with glasses and she has like diamonds on her. She's so cute, so. Can't wait to style it. I'm doing some holiday shoots next week, so I'm thinking of styling it with maybe a gold or silver sequin skirt, something to that effect. I'm not super sure yet, but I have some ideas in mind, but it's just such a fun shirt. And then I love the details up here, the gold sparkly collar. It's so cute, and then obviously the cat is everything. So this was definitely one of those items that I will treasure and have in my closet forever. So that is a wrap on this week's vlog. Thanks so much for following along. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or suggestions for future vlogs, just leave me a comment below. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you soon.